Hey guys, welcome back to another math video. So the first question for today is, calculate 11 plus this, subtract this, plus this, subtract that, blah, 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 blah. But we can immediately see here that there are two recurring numbers, 11 and 15, so we can actually even them out if we put them into a more friendly equation. So let's just simplify this. So it would be plus a negative number, which is just subtract that number, plus 11 subtract a negative, which would be adding the negative, plus 11 subtract 15, subtract, and if we lift the parentheses, the addition sign inside would have to change into a subtraction sign, so 11 subtract 15 again. So now we can go even stuff out. Like this negative 15 and this 15, they would even themselves out to 0. This, the negative 11 and the positive 11. So now we would get 11 plus 11, subtract 15, because that's all we have left. These two would make themselves negative 30. These two would be 22. 22 subtract 30 is negative 8. Moving on to problem number 2. Calculate 6 times this. And we can also notice another recurring theme in this, another recurring number, 98. So if we wrote this down into a more seeable form, and we remove the parentheses, it would be 25 subtract 98 because in front of them, it is technically a positive. So then, but since here it's a negative, so we have to change this to addition. And once again, we can even them out, the negative 98 and the positive 98. So it would be 6 multiplied by 25 subtract 19, which is 6. So it would be 6 times 6, which we all know is 36. Moving on to problem number 3. What is the value of this subtract this? So as you guys can see here, there's technically a positive sign in front of this, and there's technically a negative sign in front of this. So according to the associative property, when we lift the parentheses on it, the first parentheses would stay the same, but the second parentheses, all the addition signs inside it would have to change to subtraction signs. So it would be 185 plus 378 plus 579, subtract 85, subtract 178, subtract 279. So now we can use the commutative property and shift these numbers around. So as you guys can see here, we can make the friendly numbers with the friendly numbers, like 85, 85, 78, 78, 79, 79. So after we shift it, it should look like 185 subtract 85 plus 378 subtract 178 plus 579 subtract 279. So this would equal, the first one is 100. The second one is 200, and the third set is 300. And when we add these together, 500 plus 100, 600. And so yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned at least a little bit more about math, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!